Ito, balikan natin. Naputol kanina eh. Okay, for example number 13, the similar example with numbers 11 and 12. Okay, ano equation natin? Given equation. Sa left side, we have two quantity x minus y is equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, anong instruction? Solve for what variable? Solve for y. Okay? So, ang hinahanap natin is y. Ano ang need nating i-transpose sa right side? Need natin i-transpose is itong 2x, no? Para matira yung negative 2y sa left side. Okay? Okay, positive 2x, you transpose to the right side. What will become of the sign? It will become negative. That's why here, makikita mo, di ba? Naiwan yung negative 2y sa left side. Yung 2x transpose sa right side. Ano nangyari dun sa sign? From positive, naging negative. Okay, then you just add 4. Okay, next. Ang hinahanap natin is positive y, but we have negative y here, no? Paano natin ma-convert yung negative 2y to positive y? We divide negative 2y by negative 2. Both sides, no? Negative 2y divided by negative 2. Negative divided by negative gives us positive. So, naging y siya, positive y. So, sa right side of the equation, ganun din, we also divided it by negative 2. So, ito, which lead us to the final answer, y is equal to x plus 4 over negative 2. Okay. Ganyan ganyan ang pag-solve. Okay.